Hello guys, welcome to my channel lovetolearn. Today in this video, I want to discuss about hackerrank problem, Java SubString Comparisons. Let's read the problem. We define the following terms: lexicographical order, which is also known as alphabetical or dictionary order. Orders characters as follows. Yep, you can observe them here, and they have given an example. Let's see. For example, ball is less than cat, dog, which is less than dom, happy, and so on. A substring of a string is contiguous block of characters in the string. For example, substrings of ABC are A, B, C, AB, BC, and ABC. Given a string S and an integer k, complete the function so that it finds lexicographically smallest and largest strings of length k. Okay. Let's go to example, then you can understand the question better. Guys, you can observe they are given an input string welcome to Java, and they have given a k value which is 3, and you can observe these are the substring which are generated from, which are created from this string. Okay, from all this substring, AVA and WEL are the minimum substring, small substring and large substring based on comparison of lexicographically order. Okay. Let's go to programmatical implementation. Guys, you can observe here they are expecting return type is string. Okay, and our input is string and k value, and they are already given some two string, smallest and largest. I just want to initialize them. Start substring 0, k, and I want to do similar to largest substring. Okay, largest variable also, and I want to declare two variables now, which is string, substring. Okay, string S should be capital as it is a class, and I want to declare on the substring, on the variable substring 1. Okay, and let's try the logic here. First of all, I am taking a for loop for each, where I will start to initialize with in I equal to 0 and I less than or equal to s dot length minus k I plus plus substring equal to s dot substring of I plus k, and substring 1 equal to s dot substring of I plus k. Now I want to compare them, where I am taking a two variables into a1 equal to substring dot compare to smallest, and into a2 equal to substring dot compare to of largest. Guys, if you don't know about compare to, don't worry, I'll explain after running my code. Okay, you have to greater than 0, then swap our largest to, I want to interchange content of largest to substring 1. Okay, if var1 less than 0, smallest equal to substring, and I think so I completed my logic. I just want to return my data here. Okay guys, how I can return it if you guys observe it, they have given a sample output. Yep. They are printed line by line. Okay, I want to return two strings, but I want to just mention I have to give them one line gap. How I can give it? I will show you. Smallest space plus forward slash n. By using new line, I will give them some gap. Okay, let's run the program first. Before running program, just I want to check once. I have a doubt here. Guys, if you observe here, I am comparing both substring. I mean, like here also I am comparing substring, here also I am comparing substring. But here I want to compare with substring 1. Okay, and I have return statement here. It is correct, but I have written it here because it is inside for loop. Okay, I have to return it after for loop. Let's run our code first. Let's see what happens. So guys, good. Our sample test case is passed, and let's submit our code first. Let's see what happens. Okay, it is running slow, and let's see whether our test case are passed or not. Before the our test case are passed, I said to you in the video, the middle of video, that I will explain about this compare to method. Am I right? Yes. What is this compare to method? Guys, now I'll explain it. Yep. Let's declare two string small, which I will initialize it with A. Okay. And string large, I will initialize with B. Okay, I named it B because as it contains a larger string comparing to lexicographical order. Okay, I want to print something here. Wait, I'll show you what I want to print. Small dot compare to large. Okay, and large dot compare to small. Let's execute our program first. Guys, you can observe my outputs are -1 and 1. Okay, and now I will explain my code. Okay, sorry guys, I think so you may be confused by this small and large. Okay, and I will change my variable's name, and then I will explain you. Sorry for this inconvenience. And okay, I think now we can understand easily. Yep, I have taken a string S which I am initialized it with value A, and I am taken a string L which I have initialized with value B. And you can observe guys, it is small string. Okay, compared to which one L. Okay, it is a last string. Okay, I am just writing here. I mean, like I am writing here to just to explain you. Okay, it is small string and it is a last string. I think you guys got it. Now what I am doing, I am comparing my small string to my last string. Okay, and here my small string, here my string S is smaller than string L which is large. Okay, then I will get negative value. Suppose if you can observe here, it is larger string L, it is smaller string S. I am comparing L with S. As it is larger, I will get positive value. I think you guys got it. Okay guys, and thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. And guys, if you want more topics on Hibernate, Spring MVC, or Spring Boot and Java or HackerRank, please comment it in comment section.